Hi guys, this is Nidhi and welcome to my channel. This video is about hair styling. So I will be styling my hair today using this Dyson Airwrap. So I'm using this round attachment and I'll show you how I blow dry my hair and make them look like this, frizz-free and lot of volume. How I create this is what I'm going to show you in this video. Also, I will share all the products that I use before I style my hair. So first thing that I use today before I shampooed my hair is a hair mask. So it is a very different hair mask. You don't use this after your shampoo, you use this before your shampoo. So this is the product that I use today. It is from Oziva Nourish and Growth hair mask. So this hair mask has 11 effective plant ingredients. It's very natural, so all you have to do is just part your hair in two halves and take some hair mask and apply it on your wet hair and scalp. Leave it for 10 to 15 minutes and then wash it with a sulfate free shampoo. So now let's go and see how I style my hair. Before we jump into the video, a quick reminder to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification, and yeah, let's do some hair styling now. Now I'm using this L'Oreal hair cream. Okay, my hair are still wet, so I'm just taking this cream, and this is a leave-in cream. You can apply it on your wet hair. Now my hair, the roots especially, are really dry, so because you know I style my hair very often. So I'm using this hair serum. Now this is an argan oil hair serum. If you've applied that leave-in cream, I mean that's good enough, but I still like to apply a little bit of argan oil serum. It just gives that little more shine to my hair. So I'm applying all these products only on the lens, not on the scalp, because this will make your scalp oily. Let's start with this Dyson thing. So now I've put this flat brush attachment, okay, because my hair, as you can see, are a little frizzy and a little wavy, so I like to straighten them first before I start styling them. So before I start styling them, I'm using this heat protector from Be Blunt. I personally like Tresemme heat protector, but I could not find it. It was out of stock, so, and I wanted one immediately, so I ended up buying this Be Blunt heat protector. Okay, so now I am putting the fan speed on medium. Heat mode, I'm putting it again on medium. Alright, and let's start with straightening the hair. So I'm just taking random sections. This is all I've done, basically just brushed my hair very randomly using this attachment. This is just the first step to make hair look little neater. Your styling becomes much more easier and your hair looks less frizzy. Now step 2, if you feel that your hair are very dry right now and they are not wet, then please spray some water, because this styling with Dyson Airwrap should be done on little damp hair and not on dry hair. Now I'm going to part my hair and create a section here. Putting this round attachment. Heat mode, I'm putting it on full, and the fan speed, I'm putting it on medium. So if this is the strand, I'm going to put the brush here behind and then dry it and brush it properly, and then rotate the brush like this. Okay, let's do this. Now I'm putting the heat mode to cool mode. This is how it looks. Let's do this part now. So I'll quickly finish this side of my hair also, and after that I will open these sections. You can even apply mousse. Somehow I don't like applying hair mousse. I feel very sticky later, so that's the only reason. Otherwise you can apply hair mousse and this styling will stay much longer then. Now I'll open the section that is clipped and is left for styling. So the hair that have been already styled or blow dried, I'm just pushing them back. Now I'll keep styling this section in the same way as we did earlier, except the front part. That is something that I will show you in the later part of the video. So as of now, I'm going to leave this front part because I will blow dry them differently so that there is volume at my front area. Okay, taking out the front part of this section also of my right side, and I'm just going to clip them. Alright, most of it is done. Now only this top part is left, the front part. So this I'm going to blow dry in a different way so that there is a lot of volume here. I'm going to take this section and I'll show you guys the brush movement before I start the machine. So this is how I will be going. Okay, like brush them 2-3 times and then finally just keep rotating the brush and keep it here. Guys, here is the final look. This is how I blow dry my hair using Dyson Airwrap. A lot of you, I know, are having difficulty in using this product, but yes, just remember a few things and your life will be easier and you will be able to style your hair properly. Depending on your hair texture, you know, choose the fan speed. I usually keep it on medium because my hair are very dry, and even the heat mode I keep it on medium most of the times. A second point which is very important, don't do the styling on dry hair. You know, the Airwrap works on hot air technology, and hence it's important that your hair a little damp or wet when you're styling your hair. I hope you like this styling video, and I don't use many hair styling products. I showed you guys, but yes, it's important that you take care of your hair. You know, if you have healthy hair only, then your styling will look good. So that's one suggestion from my side. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this was helpful. Please don't forget to like, comment and share, and thank you once again for showing all your love and support to my channel and to me. You can join me on my Instagram page also. It's called Get Gorgeous with Nidhi. Bye.